Welcome to my Origamikharadee channel. In this video, I'm sharing a creative and budget-friendly way to decorate your walls using handmade origami 3D wallpaper. This is a unique and artistic home decor idea that anyone can try, even without any crafting experience. Instead of using store-bought wallpaper or costly wall art, this project uses simple paper folding techniques, origami, to create eye-catching three-dimensional designs that you can stick directly onto your wall. These paper shapes, when arranged neatly in a pattern, give the wall a beautiful texture and visual depth, making the space look more stylish and modern. The best part is, you don't need to spend a lot of money or buy fancy tools. All you need is some colored paper, or plain paper if you prefer a minimal look, glue, scissors, and a bit of patience. In this step-by-step tutorial, I'll guide you through the whole process, from cutting and folding the paper to arranging and attaching the pieces to your wall in a neat and professional-looking way. You can customize this wallpaper according to your personal style. Choose bright colors for a playful, energetic vibe, soft pastels for a calming feel, or metallic tones for a more elegant, high-end look. This DIY project is suitable for decorating many spaces, like bedrooms, living rooms, kids' study areas, home offices, or even a feature wall in your hallway. You can cover the entire wall or just a portion of it as an accent piece. It's also a great option if you're living in a rented space and want something that's temporary and removable without damaging the wall. Not only does this origami wallpaper add beauty to your home, but the process itself is also very relaxing. Folding and arranging the paper is a peaceful, satisfying activity, and it's something you can enjoy doing alone or with your family. Kids especially love helping out with crafts like this, so it can also become a fun family bonding project. By the end of the video, you'll have a stunning handmade wallpaper design that looks like it came straight out of a designer catalog, but it's made entirely by you. If you enjoy creative home decor ideas, be sure to watch the full video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my Origamikharadee channel for more DIY and art-related content. I'd love to see your versions of this project, so feel free to share your results in the comments. Thank you for watching and supporting my channel.